Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to check Samsung Galaxy A15 device is original or fake. Checking if your phone is original is important to ensure that you are buying a real product and not a fake or imitation. Original phones usually have a better quality, appropriate features, and reliable after-sales support. So, how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, open Play Settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, please scroll down here. And then, you can select About Phone. Well, and then here will appear the information about your email number. And then you can copy one of them. Okay, after that, open please Chrome browser on your device. Okay, and then you can type email.info in the search field. Well, and then here you can copy paste the email number before. And then confirmation captcha here. Okay, and then after the confirmation process is finished, and then you can click check. And then here will below the information about your device, if it's original or not fake. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to check Samsung Galaxy A15 device is original or fake. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.